myself me have to win in a life, I can't lose.
I am a Rick, you know, the man of peace. Me nah stop trying. Me nah stop trying. Me no care how long the journey take, how much setback me get. Me nah stop trying. Why should I? Yeah man, one day I must get the help my man and the real dead.
Tired for salt and cut toothpaste tube.
Welcome to Life TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless hello and greetings my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV, you know, the man of peace. We set the violence of the streets, live in love, unity and strength. You see me? A blessings over blessings, man. You see me? I say anyone in the check-in right now, you don't know a guidance and protection, you know, upon you and your loved one. You see me? Yes, we see a lot of rumors that go around now, viral. New Lincoln, Terror Danan, some other channel I say, yo, Quada hit the buff. Yo, me not think of Quada that. You see me? Cause based on some comments I read, me not feel like a Quada. I give the artist the benefit of the doubt. You see me? I try to watch the video, but I don't see it. You see me? But I don't see if you know man, but I go off the comments I say. I don't feel like the artist that. Maybe somebody will look like him, but I go read two of the comments them. A few of the comments them, I couldn't say what I go on. Yes man, the journey not easy, and life not easy. You don't know, Journey is a brand new song from Quada. See the video drop about 2-3 months ago. Journey, bad piece of song.
Tell myself me have to win in a life, I can't lose. Tired for salt and cut toothpaste tube. Start high school, now my 5th grade shows. Tell me say my face no companions.
I tell myself me have to win in a life, I can't lose. Tired for use salt and cut toothpaste tube. Tell mommy some face. No, she not gonna see my face come on news. I know I put the man face on news. I spend the man 5 I say the man and I'm the buff. I don't feel like a Quada that I am the buff. People just worry. I know somebody will look like the man. You see me, but as I say, you see some comments, some people that say the mole on Quada face is on different side of the facial part of the body. You see me? So I'm going to read it and I'm going to see what I go on.
Mommy, you a star. Nah, no time for pray no war. One put a house up on the hill with stone wall and fat car tired for ball.
Boy, I don't know, I'm to the artist, you know, talented. But funny man, you know the boss fall out, you know. He come like said the door them lock on him. You see me, black ball. You see it, the man say, yo, him now have no time for war, you know. Him a pretty big house, fat car and some big stone pan the. You see me? Yes, man, them life that the artist want to live, man. But really and truly, I don't believe that the artist and them the buff. I don't feel like him. You see me and say, yeah man, the song named Journey, and it remind me of a song named Nah Stop Trying. Yeah man, one day I must get the help my man and the real dead. Nah stop trying. Yes man, so we see the breaking news. Say Quada caught eating the buff. We see it over New Link, big up New Link. We see it on Terror, big up Terror page. I'm going to go through the comments and I say, Quada? You know Quada? That I do Quada? Even though you can't tell a man if you do still, you know. You see me? If a man want to hit the buff, that's with them choice. Right now, popular thing, that regular thing, no normal thing, that right now. No one like one time, you see me? But, I don't know, cleanliness is godliness. You see me? Yeah, we're not endorse eating the buff, you know, and indulge in eating the buff, but a man want to do what they want to do, a woman want to do what they want to do. You see me? At the 25th century right now. You see me I say, but me I feel like a Quada that. I mean I feel like the artists would do them things for hey, tear down his career and my fight to bring it back up. You know what I mean? I say, yeah man, the artist career, my fight to get back that hit there. I don't know if anyone popcorn him fall out, you know, it's like a black ball, you see me? Yes, yeah. You know, but some I say the artist, why the artist would do such thing? Especially if you might do it, why am I make the girl a video him? You see me?
So every day I chant a psalms and put my trust in the Lord and go for everything I want go through the storm.
Yes man, trust in the most, you know. But anyway, I'm going to run through a couple of the comments now. I'm see on No Link page and Terror page. See? Yeah. So the first comment state, I don't Quada that bro. Ethan have the mole in the middle of his face. Quada have mole on the far right of his face. When stop try style youth. So the brother we are named them I call him Ethan, you see me? Alright, the next comment here say, yes man, so this is half a the next comment of a TUNTUN page saying, please stop this, apologize, and delete this video because the guy in the random video, the man in the video got his black spot on the left side nostril of his face, of his nose, but Quada black spot is on the right side nostril of his nose. This is wrong. Stop pop down the artist with lies. So that is the next person. I'm going to read one more comment now and then we get back to the reasoning. See? I know Quada that in the video terror. Quada mole there at a different spot and him not have no mole in him forehead. All the man here different. So that person I say Quada mole a different place in him face and forehead from the brother where he the buff. See, and I say the ear, even the hair different, so me don't know.
So not when rain a fall, friends sell me out just like a star. True, me not give them what them want, it hurt me hard. They used to think some salt, go river and wash off and I fell off.
So me I say, me don't see the video yet, but me see a picture around my new link page, Zine, and me try to go up on the link where TUNTUN leave, but nah, the video nah show, you see me? Yeah, but me listen to TUNTUN vlog and Terror say, yo, TUNTUN adamant. I say a Quada, cause him see video, him say a Quada, him see video and so like him and Quada have a personal vendetta, I know like him say a calm and reach Quada, but as me say, I not swear for no man I know one still, but me find it, you know, me say, all the artists can be so fool or stupid if I really him, which I doubt is him based on the comments when I see on different people page. You know what I mean? Maybe somebody will favor Quada, and maybe the way the person are eating meal, the face, the image could feel like say him, you know, but I know most the artist. Why the artist would be so stupid to make the woman a video him? You see me? I say I want to go viral, I want to get back a bust in the music business. I'm gonna feel like him don't do that, forget the bust in the music business. Forget back, you know what I mean? So, you know, that just my take still. Me don't feel like the artist. You know, people run with anything nowadays and just want tear down, you know? As me said, the mole, they must say the mole a different place in the face and the hairstyle different, you know what I mean? But I don't know my viewers and subscribers. Me just find this, you know, very degrading and, you know what I mean? Scrutinizing and, you know what I mean, belittling and shameful. Why? It come like that the woman leak all the video too. She and the person could all kick off, you know? You see me? I mean, I don't know why the people when they eat or suck, why them blouse and skirt a video? You see me? Why not a video? You know? Why not? You see me? Quada would be a stupid man if he might do him thing if he make that woman a video him. He would be a stupid fool, you know what I mean? And you know, when I see if you know man still, I know man still, but pick up the artists here, me and my viewers and subscribers. Anybody can confirm say Quada 100%? Send me the video please. Let me see what I go on. So I say, my Lion for TV. You know the man of peace. And the artist have a song named Journey. You see me? You go and support the artist, man.
Journey not easy. If you're not dead, then you're not gonna believe me. I got a load, can't tell them I feel it. And get to you to make it believe me. Yeah, the journey not.
Yeah, big up Gary Dan Records. You know, Gary Dan Records produce the song Journey. You go check it out and get the artist the support. You see me? I say, when you not support the artist the real way musically, but as something bad on the want to run with, you see me? To help stifle the artist's career. I hold him down, you see me? Yeah, man. Quada, come out and prove something, you, brother. Forward out and prove something, yo. As a man says, it's not a good look, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't feel like the artist. That's just my take on it. Let me know if I'm wrong. As a man say, big up on yourself for the man of peace. Yeah, man, blessed.
That's not right.